This look is on YouTube. Check it out. But I'm going to take this look and change it up and vamp it up to show you how you can change your one color eyeshadow into something completely different. Keep watching and remember, you're loved on this channel. There is a dark brown. I am going to go into it and just go like this. This is a dark brown. This is so pigmented. I did not realize how pigmented it was until now. I'm using a Beauty Bay palette. It's the Botanical palette. Always remember you first. Never, ever, ever, ever give up on yourself. Always know that there is help if you need it. Whenever you need to take a break, do not feel guilty. Take a break. It is good for your mental health. Don't let anyone tell you differently. Take a break whenever you need to. Now I'm going into a shimmer that's there. I'm going to start right in the outer corner. I did not use glitter glue. I'm just stamping it on the red. Let's hope it works. Today's I am encouraging word will come up shortly. This is a pretty shimmer. The shimmer is so pretty, I'm gonna go a little higher. This is how you change a one color eyeshadow look to something else. Today's I am is I will enjoy every experience the universe gives me. I will enjoy every experience the universe gives me. I love you very much. I appreciate you very much. Thank you so much for choosing my video to watch. Please remember to hype this video. And until I see you and you see me, all the experiences that we get from the universe, they're not always pleasant or always pleasing us, but they are lessons to be learned. So whenever an experience shows up, ask, what am I supposed to learn from this? Is this going to benefit me? And why? I will see you shortly. Bye.